日僕の心は音もなく崩れ去った壊れて叫ぶ
Hi guys, welcome back to Apollo's Learning. Till now we have completed part 1 and part 2 based on arrays. So now we are moving on to the part 3, which is about to work on some operations based on arrays using some IDEs that which we have discussed in the previous first lecture of this course. First video of this course. So we have downloaded IDLE and Visual Studio Code. So for this part I am using IDLE. Okay guys. Okay, I have opened the IDLE and yes, now we have discussed about types of cars and accessing array elements and slicing the elements and getting the value of the array elements like that in the part 2. So now we are going to work on it. So for example, we have taken a variable cars and we are giving the input as you can give any of the array names. Yes, it's your wish. For example, anything. Okay, so now this is our array. Okay guys, cars is the variable of the array name, variable which we have declared as a name for an array, and now we are going to access the elements in the array. So for example, in every set of elements in every array, the counting of numbers means counting of elements begins with 0. So the value of Maruti is 0 and Merc is 1, BMW 2, Volvo 3. So let us access the second element in the set. Okay guys, so it gives the output as B and W. I hope you all can see this. Okay, it gives the output of B and W. So why it is giving like this means in the every compiler based on Python, in every compiler when you are taking output, then it will count from 0 guys. It will start the counting from 0 onwards. So it will count from 0 and it will go to the n number of times. How many elements are there? It will go through the elements. Okay, so for example, if we want to access the 0 element, it gives the Maruti as output. So as we discussed that 0 is the first element, it will give the Maruti as output. Okay, if we want to access what if we want to access the fifth element, let us say, yeah, it gives the error. The error says that list index out of range. So here it is the range from 0 to 3 only. So we have to access the elements between 0 and 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, like that. So 5 is not there in the list, hence it says that list index out of range. Okay guys, this is how you can access the elements in an array. Okay, now let us see about what is the length of an array. Length of an array. So it is simple guys. In Python, just type len cars. It will give the length of an array is 4. Okay, because it starts from Maruti, Merc, BMW, Volvo. Here it won't count the element. It won't give the value to the elements guys. Just it will count the number of elements. It won't give the index value and it will go on counting, but it will say how many elements are there in the array. That's it. So it says that 4 elements are there in an array cars. Okay, now what if we want to access -1 element? Gives Volvo as the output. Why it is giving -1 as Volvo? Because from left hand side it will count from 0 onwards. From the right hand side it will count from the -1, -2, -3 like that it will count. Okay guys, I hope you all understand. If you have any doubts, please ping in the comment section. I will give reply. Okay, that's it guys. And this is about length of an array, and we are going to add some elements in the array. Okay, let us add. For adding an element, we have to use a keyword append guys. For example, we are going to okay, now let us see what cars is. Okay, now you people can see there Honda have been added to our array cars. Okay guys, at the beginning we have given only Maruti, Merc, BMW and Volvo. Now when we set that compiler to append Honda in the given array, it had added the Honda in the given array. Okay guys, okay. And now how to remove an element in the array? How to remove an element? So as we said before, for removing an element we have to pop. We have to pop the element. When studying about these data structures in the next sessions, coming sessions, you people can know about what is push, pop and this all. Okay guys, don't be panic. So just go through the lectures. Okay, just car.pop means we are going to remove an element. For example, pop first element. First element means Merc. Okay, I said you that array is counting from 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. Okay, so it is popping the first element means it will pop Merc output. So now when we run cars, so it will go output as Maruti, BMW, Volvo and Honda, where because Merc has been popped out from the array. Okay guys, now deleting an element, we have to completely delete an element. For removing an element, cars dot remove. For example, there are 3 elements, meanwhile 3 car companies, meanwhile 3 cars in the array after all these operations. So let us remove Honda. Okay, now when we run the array cars, then it will give the output as Maruti and BMW. So we have removed the Honda. Okay guys, like this, these are the operations in arrays guys. Now for example, we are giving a array is equal to 1, 2, 3. It is a random array that you have taken it for example. So now we are going to slice the values. Okay, from slicing the elements from 1 to 5. So it will give the output as 23, 45, 6 and 66 because these are the elements present between 1 and 5. Okay guys, slicing is nothing but the printing the elements from one index to another index. Okay, we have given index number 1. 1 means 0, 1. 1 is 23. From there to 5. 5 to 5, not with 5. Okay guys, it does not include 5th element. It will print up to 5th element. Okay, for example, if we print sorry yes. Then if you print just 2 and leave it off empty, then it will print from the second element and to the last element. Okay guys, for example, if you print A and ist symbol and till 7th element, then it will print from the beginning up to the 7th element. Okay guys, like that. It is the slicing guys. It is not a slicing. Slicing is nothing but printing from one index to another index. Okay guys, so that's it. And these are the operations based on arrays. So try to practice more guys. If you practice more, then you will be perfect. when you try to code. Okay, thanks for watching this.